Hard as I can.
That's insane.
Yeah. Start pouring rain halfway through the game. Right?
America, fuck yeah.
America, fuck yeah. Say the fucking day now.
One with the brush?
One with the brush.
And the tree.
Part of the ship, part of the crew.
12 hours.
That's a fucking intense stance right there. Just like
I'm just waiting.
ready. I don't know what's going on.
Man, it's boring.
Ready.
Hey, Eddie.
Hey, I wonder if they got like a stair set or something to climb up over the roof. See how that plate's up? Well, I'm not popping my head out there. Fuck that. That seems like a bullseye. I can't see, but I'm pretty sure I'm out.
Yeah.
Three people raise their hands. I'll say it again. I need one volunteer.
Is skeleton armor?
Not all at the same time now.
No squad? Right? I want to see him do something with those knives.
What's up, man? I like what you do with the place. High ceilings, low floors. That's like earlier. This is fantastic. This is really cool. So what are you guys doing? Going this way? Yes. What's your question? And they got the same idea. Oh. That's cool. So what do we have over there for protection?
We got skeleton.
A bunch of mounds.
Ooh.
Slight amount of cover.
We're going to rape the shit. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club.
I know.
Alright, well, make it a mad rush. Nice.
Get ready to commit a hate crime.
Make it a mad rush to where? I am ready. Come on, dude, this fat kid is wrong. Shit. Skeletor's heading right, I know where I'm going.
Yeah.
Everybody, be careful in this area. You don't want to fall here. You will hurt yourself.
It fucking sucks.
Man, I love waiting for a game to start.
Yeah.
It takes so long.
Fucking fantastic. Oh, what?
Spooky.
I'll stick to the pod and put his toes in it.
I'm gonna go up with these guys here.
Everything the Rockins engineered.
Oh, you guys. Oh, man. I know you know. Point blank. Point blank.
Fucking sexy.
From you. What are friends are for, right?
I wouldn't be alive here. Brother.
Oh, brothers. Oh, all right.
There's a building over there.
That explains it.
Yeah, saloon. That's where I'm going.
Are you just gonna sprint it out?
Huh?
Are you just gonna sprint it out?
Yep.
If you're sprinting, I don't want to be in your way.
You're fine. No worries.
Yeah, I'm going straight right there. Right there, look.
That's where I'm going.
I'm gonna run around. I'm gonna jump over. Where? Jonah, are you going inside or are you just trying to get to the wall?
I'm going all the way back. I'm going as far back as I can.
Yeah, I'm going to
Is there an opening for that building right there? There is.
Yeah.
I'm going where he's going.
But I mean, really, honestly, good luck getting in there because I mean, they're sagging up.
No, we'll be fine to get in.
Instead of like one
Ready up.
window.
What?
What? Skull.
Is that like go or something? Oh my god.
Oh, they all took it. They're taking a fucking picture.
Let me get in.
not going to be able to get back. They're going to call go.
Where you call?
God.
Great building. That's what we do.
Picture, man.
And there's a walk. You know what they're coming after? Does anybody else go into the gray building?
Pretty much all of us over here, I think.
The other side, there's a kind of polish area where there's some barriers and MLBs where it wasn't. So you guys were able to be in there.
One person over here.
Down there with no boner, other side. Down there with no boner.
Come on, you want.
Ready up.
Just don't let us see you.
They can, if you can see them, they can see you.
Oh, they're making us move back.
Aw. The fuck was that?
The rock.
Oh shit. Grenade.
It's not those tape lines, guys. The short field.
Alright guys, I'm gonna move you back! Move back!
Bud. We are supposed to start over here. Everyone just sort of flowed out with excitement.
Be on the other side of the field. No, I'll start right in the middle by the chassis.
Oh no, don't start here.
We're actually going to start in biohazard.
Okay, game over. Time's up.
Yeah, I'm a funky.
Guys, over here! Over here! I want you guys together! Over here!
Let them start. Oh, the pain of it.
It's gonna make for a good 48-minute video.
Yeah. What if somebody pops the lens on that?
Then I clean it off. It's been hit before. My friend's gun was shooting 380 and it survived.
Really? Wow.
Keep going! Keep going! That was bull! That was so bull! Jeepers! They started all the way by the sandbag!
I see two. I see two. Stay low. I sit one behind the plank.
Hey, who's the farthest guy up there?
Us! We can't even move up!
Why not?
They started all the way forward!
Hey, watch underneath your feet.
Hey Pete, you good?
Did Pete move up?
Yeah, he moved up. Not sure how far up he got. I don't know if he's out either.
Behind that pipe straight ahead. One across.
The farthest guy's up, there's only one. There's like, I would say there's about 5 or 6 guys.
There's two guys in this. Two guys on the left side, inside the building. Two guys are still up on the right side. There's only two guys in this building.
Only two on the other side?
Guys, no, they have like 5 or 6 guys that ran down here.
What's the name? Took a bunch of those guys out.
Because call out what you see, call out what you see.
started from was that middle area with the sandbags.
No, there's 2 guys all around that back wall.
Just walked up and there's two guys.
What did Mike say?
12 o'clock. Straight up. Tan Creek. Right there, Tan Creek. He's out. One out. One more still back there. One still back there.
Hey, Rip!
Right there. 12, straight ahead of you. Straight ahead of you, buddy. 12 o'clock.
Rip!
There?
Reaper! Get Rip
Keep your gun up,
behind
man.
you! Keep your gun up.
Tell your dad to take out that back wall.
Hold up.
There's only one guy there. Let's just
see?
What's up?
What do you see?
We got some guys in the back wall here. Who's that? And Matrix!
You stand right up. Right
What do you got?
There's that crate that's vertical.
Yes.
Hey guys, let's start. Everyone start moving up. Everyone start moving up. Let's go. To the right of that. He's the only guy that's stopping us from moving right now.
Stack and move!
We're pushing. We're going.
Yo, it's Joey.
Watch it. You good? What?
I saw one
You
foot.
good?
One foot.
One in the back crates. Make sure that wall's clear.
Want me to put it in the book?
Dude, is that wall clear? Hey, take this. Dude. I got one guy right
He's
here.
covering,
One
covering.
guy right
Move,
here.
move, move.
We've got one of
Go,
our
go up.
guys right here. He's moving up. Dude, make sure that wall's clear. That guy's done in front of us. Stay low. He's done.
Go, go, go.
Go back, come on.
We got some sandbags. Our building is clear. We got somebody on the car, far left.
Right, got the car left.
Got the guys back of us.
Outstanding.
Back of the van. Back of the van. There's one more. You see him?
Right. One guy back in the van.
Got the intel.
Kyle's in the building across on the left. Where? Anybody in front?
Nobody's in the front that I saw. People are just on the left side.
Just that car, just the minivan. He's almost out of range though.
All right.
Yeah, he's almost out of range.
Far blue building.
He's very effective on it. I can barely reach him.
On you.
Behind the van.
Stand tight on.
It's tight. Got no room. Behind the van.
Anthony, come here.
Back of the van.
Anthony, behind you. I want to make sure that they can't shoot us from here. Anthony, right here. Are they allowed to shoot from where they're at here? They're allowed to, so we're allowed to too?
Yeah, you're allowed to too. You just can't cross over. Good shot.
Because they were in the complete open. I just want to make sure we were allowed to shoot there too.
Back of the van. Back of the van. Back side of the van. He's hit.
I see him.
Back of the van's hit.
We can't cross over this line, but we can shoot. Batman, watch out! Batman, watch out! You see him right there?
Yeah.
Make sure you hit him, Dave.
I didn't get him.
Right,
Move up.
watch the left. Watch the left. They could shoot this way, we could shoot that way. Just watch it. Stand back. Stay low. I'm over you.
Laughing bullets.
I'm gonna move up.
Guys over in the bushes still playing peekaboo.
He's fucking out.
Nice shot.
My mask, please. You're fine. Okay, good.
What you got?
Please 3-4 behind the chopper and the barricade there.
Got you.
Hey, you're fucking up, bitch.
Yeah.
Oh!
I'm moving.
Stay you go. Get the fuck out. Hell no. Motherfucker. Bouncy shit. Stay low if you move. Stay low. Oh shit, one in between the two. What do you see over here?
What?
See anything over here?
We got some in the. We just got some back there. That's all I know. Got some way back there.
Hey, what do you
Watch it.
see? What do you see? Right
We got some back behind the minivan at the chopper.
Would that be a good spot to hide?
Huh?
Would that be a good spot to hide?
Maybe. Do you want to come in first?
If you get low.
2-1. Oh, it's a game over. Game over.
Is that game?
No.
Oh, they're just walking out?
Yeah.
You see him? You see him? Yeah, black and yellow building.
Sandbags clear?
Black and yellow building. Stay low, stay low.
Are the sandbags clear?
In my bag! Black and yellow building's out. I'll move up to the car. Move up to the van. 3. Yeah, what's on going?
Watch out!
We can all make it to the van.
One behind the trade over there. You guys just want to make a push?
Yeah, let's go to the van.
Let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go, go! Are you here?
Got you now! I got you!
Hey, you have guys, come on!
Hey, we looked at him.
Rookie.
For that.
Let's go, let's go! Let's go! Yeah!
Good shit.
Didn't you wear like on my body?
No, man, I see it.
Oh, wait. Maybe there.
No, that's but there's no straw.
Yeah, dude, you're fully clean.
Yeah, one of these guys kept screaming at me. I get hit by camera and I was asking everybody. I know. Wow, so
Jonathan?
everybody was yelling at me.
Dude, Nate, I think I really need that thing.
That was good as fuck.
Oh, fuck, I am really low on air.
Joey's
I dropped it on the field. That was such a good way.
I was asking everybody.
No, I got him. Wow. That's the whole game I got. Hey, Jack, where's my dad?
So many people like this whole fucking left side, not like... This one, the one I moved my yeah. One of those is today, one of those is old.
I don't know, man.
Dude, I
heard you. I heard you just blowing.
First one, when you guys are taking the right side, I'm just like, dude, I got so low on air though.
That's cool. When they started, they were all the way over there. Really? Yeah. That's why it took us a few minutes to get up because how far up they were. Hey, we got it though. Yeah, we did. But Anthony's not so
Good.
Yeah, I ended up throwing my bag off.
That was fucking awesome.
Can you untangle it?
It's not really tangled.
Is it untangled or is it just nothing in the left
Pretty
side?
much. Oh yeah, that's how it is. Want me to switch some pods over?
No.
Alright. That's
It's
that.
mine.
For a second.
Instead of like one here, one here, one here, one there, one there.
Did he just, what did he do? Oh. Here you go, you good? No problem.
Besides, I'm low on air, so I'm not gonna get my last name on. Not good. Beast!
I could ask anybody. I got it on video too. I asked you at the end of the game and during the game. I asked Pete.
No, his not even spotted.
I know. I straight got a bounce right off the camera. But I felt
Where is he?
But I didn't feel any pain. So I was like,
Hey, Jackal, is he still in?
I got just
I have a fucking dude hanging in the Jackal. Is he still in? Yeah. He was just reloading. God, that was fucking awesome. Yeah, we're working left. Let's keep working left.
I can get to the building on the side.
We need a shit ton of people.
Because we just won that way, so we're gonna fucking storm our ass down that way.
So assassins are going that way for sure. So we need to
Got like 4 people up because I was able to get their distance.
Hey, so can we start where they started? Who dropped that? Hey, can we start where they started?
Can we start where they started?
Where did they start?
They started all the way up there.
Yeah, I was like, who's fucking calling out up there? We'll put him out. Dude, I'm gonna have to choose my shots. I'm so low on air. I probably am too. I am.
Yeah, same.
Oh man.
Sorry, buddy.
What happened? A lot of guys quit over there? Did we murder them that bad?
No, they ran out of paint.
We ran out of paint because I can't hit it. Right.
Yeah, shoot a ghost. Not with that attitude, you can't. Watch, I'll do it right now.
I got shot right now.
Yeah.
Damn.
They're talking about no break.
It's clean, right? I can't see nothing, but it's clean, right?
No, I'm gonna run out of air like 10 seconds into the game.
Don't tell them that. Go on the other side. Don't worry about it. I filled it up.
I'm gonna stay back here with my fifth. The whole game. Yeah. I ain't gonna have no fun. I'm gonna be like, damn, I gotta wait for somebody to run up.
Is my screen on?
No.
Oh, shit. Yeah, this.
Some people are gonna go into the building. Most people are gonna go straight down. We need a lot to go straight down, but we need
We need like.
a lot to go into. So
You guys are coming this way, right?
Here, all need to go left.
You guys coming this way? You guys too?
Are all you guys going left?
Yes.
Alright. Can some of you guys go left with us too? Alright, and then all you guys go right.
You guys need a heavy gunner?
We got a shit ton! Fuck me! Okay. Yo, okay. Stay low. Once they start pushing up over there in that corner, take some shots, alright? That's when they're not gonna be expecting it. Peek on the left side, see if you can see.
Hey.
Huh? No, you're clear. Oh shit, fuck. They're still all back there. They haven't moved up yet.
The guy by the spool, I don't know if he's...
Get him?
No. You gotta push up.
Yeah.
Okay, the guy at the spool on the left is out.
Alright. Good.
Oh, there's another one there.
I want.
Okay, I see them. They're on that. There's like 5 of them. Shit! Ow! Oh, damn it, nice shot.
Hit! Fuck.
Players out!
It's Joey, you gotta expect that. Ah. Man, I heard you say nice shot. I was like, oh
Yeah,
fuck.
sorry.
Ooh.
Oh, I
spooky.
fucking knew it. I went to reach for another pack.
Dude, that was fast, Lim.
Yep.
I didn't hit you, Joey?
It bounced off my arm!
Oh, okay, I swear I hit him.
Yeah, you hit me!
Yeah, he got me in my gun. I was like, I swear I hit Joey, and then...
I'm heading back.
Oh,
Easy.
I didn't know that.
Man, that was good as fuck. G fucking G.